Are you curious about which Android operating system is best for your device? Today, we are diving into a comparison of Grapheneos, LineageOS, and CalyxOS. Each of these options offers something unique, so let's explore what they bring to the table. All three operating systems are designed to enhance privacy and security on your Android device. They aim to give users more control over their data and improve the overall experience. But how do they differ from each other? First up is Grapheneos. This operating system is known for its strong focus on security. It's built on a hardened version of Android, which means it has extra protections against threats. Grapheneos is great for users who prioritize security above all else. It also supports advanced features like sandboxing, which keeps apps isolated from each other. Next, we have LineageOS. This is one of the most popular custom ROMs out there. LineageOS is all about customization. It offers a clean interface and lets users tweak many settings to fit their preferences. While it also has good security features, its main appeal is the ability to personalize your device. Lastly, we have CalyxOS. This operating system strikes a balance between security and usability. It includes many privacy features but is easier to use than Graphene OS. CalyxOS also comes with useful apps pre-installed, making it a good choice for those who want privacy without a steep learning curve. Now let's talk about the differences. GrapheneOS is the most secure, while LineageOS shines in customization. CalyxOS is user-friendly but still focused on privacy. When it comes to pricing, all three options are free to download and install. You won't have to spend any money to get started. So, which one should you choose? If security is your top priority, go for GrapheneOS. If you love customizing your device, LineageOS is the way to go. For a balance of privacy and ease of use, consider Calyx OS. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.